Here's my little furnace setup, just like Tomoko's, but slightly different, as you can see. No tongs at the moment because I'll be doing silver buttons, but unfortunately it's a bit hard to get hold of silver over here at the moment because no one's really selling that much. So yeah, it works very well. These are bricks out of storage heaters on the top and the bottom, and all the rest of the fire bricks, as you can see. Obviously that one with the crucible in is a double brick, as I said, drilled down to the required depth. Get that out. So as I say, all I'm doing at the moment is lead shot. So yeah, it works very, very, very well. I'm very, very pleased. Thanks for Tomoko for showing us his furnace. Otherwise I'd been a little bit stuck. That's it. Thank you.